In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in the Firefox app. First, open the Firefox app on your Android phone. Once it opens, you should see your usual start page, either the home screen with your top sites or the last tab you visited. If Firefox was already open in the background, bring it to the front so you are working in the active browser window. Now tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Firefox. When you tap it, a drop-down will appear showing options like New Tab, History, and Settings. This menu is how you reach most of Firefox's tools, so you will use it often. From that menu, tap Settings. Firefox will switch to a new screen that lists different sections such as General, Accessibility, and Privacy and Security. You are now working with the app's internal options rather than a web page. Scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. As you move down, watch the headings and stop when you see Privacy and Security as a title. Under this section are all the controls related to your data, tracking protection, and what Firefox stores on your device. Tap Delete Browsing Data. A new panel or page will appear showing a checklist of different data types. This includes things like browsing history, cookies, and cached images and files. Nothing is deleted yet. You are only choosing what you want to remove. We're hivien deselfium for how menes anember timbriameni her penin and envelef. This cache is where Firefox keeps copies of images and page files so sites load faster. Clearing it can fix pages not updating or loading strangely without touching your saved passwords or bookmarks. Optionally select other items such as browsing history or cookies and site data if you also want to remove them. Each item has its own checkbox, so take a moment and only tick what you are comfortable losing. Many people leave passwords unchecked, so they stay signed in on sites they trust. Tap Delete Browsing Data. Firefox may briefly dim the screen or show a small confirmation at the bottom. The deletion usually finishes within a few seconds, even if you had a lot of cached files. Tap Delete to confirm. After you confirm, the panel closes and you return to Settings. From this point on, the cache you selected is cleared, so when you visit sites again, they will load fresh copies of their files. If only one website is having problems, you can clear its data instead of clearing everything. Open the website in Firefox. Wait until the page finishes loading so that the address bar shows the correct site you want to fix. Tap the shield or lock icon in the address bar. A small panel will slide down, showing security information and controls for that specific site. This icon always relates to the current page only, not all sites. Tap Clear Cookies and Site Data. Firefox will show a short message explaining that removing this will sign you out of that site and forget its stored settings on your phone. Tap Clear, then reload the page. The site will be forced to treat you like a fresh visitor, which often resolves login loops or layout glitches that only happen there. If Firefox is still behaving unexpectedly on many sites, you can clear the app's cache from Android itself. Open your phone's settings. This is outside Firefox, so use your home screen or app drawer to get there. Tap Apps or Applications. The exact wording can vary by phone, but you are looking for the list of installed apps. When it opens, scroll until you find Firefox in the list. Select Firefox. You will see the app's info screen, usually with options like notifications, permissions, and storage. This screen controls how Android manages Firefox as an app. Tap Storage. A new view appears, showing how much space Firefox uses for data and cache. Here, the cache value is only about temporary files that Android tracks. Tap Clear Cache. The cache number should drop to 0 or a much smaller value right away, and nothing in your bookmarks or saved logins will change. Do not tap Clear Storage or Clear Data unless you want to reset Firefox, as that removes browser data and settings. You have now cleared cache data in Firefox in 3 different ways, so your browser should feel cleaner and less glitchy. If this helped you tidy up Firefox, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple browser tips.